Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, in my opinion, what I believe to be the top 2 AI tools and software tools to promote as an affiliate marketer. Why I think it's the perfect opportunity to start promoting AI tools. Why I think these tools are so good to promote is a huge opportunity here. So I'm going to put my teeth back in, and then I'm going to actually show you how to promote them. You're going to love this video, especially if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, because I believe there's never been a better time in history to start an affiliate marketing business or an online business, because there's so much opportunity out there. So with that said, let's get on with the video. Right, I'm just going to give you a quick backstory. So why are AI tools so great to promote? Well, if you don't know, a tool called ChatGPT launched, I think it was late last year. It's basically an online writing tool that uses AI technology to write incredibly accurate content and everything like that. And basically, this company, within a couple of months, is basically the fastest growing tech company in history. It's got over 100 million users, which it's achieved in literally only a couple of months, and it's basically blown the whole AI software tools industry up. And basically new AI tools are coming to the market left, right and center pretty much on a daily basis. This is going to be, I think, the fastest growing industry out there. And why for affiliates is this such a great opportunity? Well, a lot of these AI tools are going to have affiliate programs and going to use affiliates to acquire customers and grow really quickly. So this gives you, the affiliate, a huge opportunity to basically start earning off what I believe to be the fastest growing industry for the next sort of 5 or 10 years. This industry is going to explode. I'm absolutely telling you. So do not sleep on this opportunity. And basically, if you want to look for loads of, new AI tools and look for whether they've got, affiliate programs, just come to a website here called Futurepedia. Just search for it in Google. It's called Futurepedia. I think it's futurepedia.ai. And it's the largest AI tools directory on the internet. You can come here and just basically look at all of the new AI tools that are launching. And what you want to do is go to their website, scroll to the bottom, and see if these tools, have, affiliate programs. And if they do, you are in business, because then you can start using the tools yourself. It's very, very important. I must stress this. Don't just grab the tool and start promoting as affiliate. If you want to be an ethical affiliate, which I believe you should be, because it builds trust with the audience, actually go in and use the tools. Usually a lot of these tools have freemium, sort of like free trials. You can go in, use them, but also pay for them. Use them for a couple of months, learn them. Basically, learn how the tool works. Show, see how it helps you, then show people how good the tool is and actually show people how to use it. That is basically how I do affiliate marketing. So go and use the tools, and then you can promote them as an affiliate. I'm going to show you how you do that at the end of the video. But come here, just look at all these tools. There's thousands of tools in here now, and basically start promoting a handful of tools. But I'm going to give you my favorite tools to promote. Now, before getting into the video, if you're new to affiliate marketing, and you want to learn how you can just work 10 hours per week working as an affiliate, earning anywhere from $200 to $1,000 per day, then why not take my 10-hour week affiliate masterclass? Basically, I've been affiliate marketing for 3 years, and I just work around about 10 hours a week. And, just working 10 hours a week, I make anywhere from $200 to $1,000 per day. And I run a 6-figure affiliate marketing business. And I did this in my first year. And my masterclass will show you exactly how to do it. It's completely free to register. All you need to do is come down here, enter your email address for free, register, and you'll be taken straight to my masterclass. It's only 30 minutes long. I do, in the full act of honesty and transparency, I don't have any courses or anything to promote. I've got no courses to sell. The only thing I do is recommend the tools that I use to, run my business, and you can decide whether or not you want to use those tools or not. So if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and start earning big bank register for the my masterclass down below on this page. I'll link to this page down in the description. Just submit your email address and off you go. Anyway, enough waffle. Let's show you my favorite AI tools to promote at the moment. In the full act of honesty and transparency, you know, there's plenty more tools out there to promote, but these are my favorite AI tools at the moment that I'm personally using, but I'm also starting to promote as an affiliate. The first one is called Jasper.ai. Jasper's an amazing tool. It basically helps businesses to write content really quickly, come up with content ideas. You can write all sorts of content. You can come up with YouTube ideas, YouTube titles, descriptions. It can help you write sales copy, emails, you name it. Jasper does it all. It's a great tool, and I think it's one of the best tools that you can promote as an affiliate right now, because not only is it a great tool, but it's also piggybacking off the explosion of ChatGPT, which is just blowing up big time at the moment. So this is tool number one. If you want to sign up to Jasper.ai, start using it, and then start promoting it as an affiliate, I'll leave a link down below in the description. Now, the next tool that I really like at the moment is a tool called Copy.ai. Now, Copy.ai is pretty much a similar tool to Jasper.ai, but again, it's a great copy. It's a great tool. This product again is aimed at businesses, and it just helps you write all kinds of content from blog posts, email, and copy. It's a fantastic tool. Again, if you want to sign up to it, start playing with it, and then start promoting it, I'll leave a link down in the description. Now, why are these tools sort of so great to promote as an affiliate? Not only are they, you know, part of a whole burgeoning AI industry, but they are piggybacking off the back of the popularity of ChatGPT. Now, Copy.ai, if you type into Google, this tool is getting 368,000 searches a month just on the brand terms. And why is this exciting? Because this tool here, pretty much all of these people here are buyers. These are the people, if you're typing in the product name, you're most likely interested in buying it or signing up for it. So this is why I'm excited about this tool. And there's virtually got no competition for affiliates promoting it. So yeah, this is why I think Copy.ai is a great tool to promote as an affiliate. Huge search volume on their brand terms. This is pretty much all buyer intent traffic here. So huge opportunity. And again, with Jasper.ai, 110,000 views a month. Huge traffic volumes. Again, most of the people searching for this term are going to be buyers. So all you need to do is put your ads or videos in front of these people who are searching, show people how to use the tool, and you will start earning commissions. So with that said, how do we actually promote, or how do I promote these tools? So basically, this is how I run my affiliate marketing business. What I do is I sign up for the tools, I actually use them, see if I like them, and if I like them, then I will start promoting them as an affiliate by creating product review videos on YouTube. This is nothing new, but what is exciting about this opportunity is if you optimize your videos right, you can start ranking for these terms here, you know, like Copy.ai and Jasper.ai. If you know how to, optimize your videos and you put a few out there, you can start ranking on page 1 of Google and YouTube for these product review videos, which means your videos could be getting a lot of buyer traffic and hence big commissions for you. So how do you promote, these tools, or in fact any affiliate product? Well, what I do is basically, with this video here, I just put the keyword in the beginning. This isn't actually a product review video. Let me just show you one. Let me just go to my channel. Just 1 second. Here we go. So here's a video promoting Jasper.ai. I've only just really started promoting Jasper as an affiliate. I absolutely love it, and I'm just optimizing these videos, and this is how I do it. No one is showing you this on YouTube. So all you need to do is do a genuine, great product review video, walk people through the product, put the keyword in the beginning, the product term, absolutely important. You need the keyword you want to rank for in the title, and then obviously add something exciting for the title. So basically, people searching for Jasper.ai, they either want to sign up and use the tool, or they're looking to learn how to use the tool. So basically, it's a benefit-driven headline. I've put the keyword, tutorial. So Jasper.ai tutorial, because people want to know how to use it. Save time writing sales copy with Jasper.ai. So basically, it's a catchy, benefit-driven headline. And then basically what I do is I basically put my affiliate, first line description. I just promote the link. Get Jasper.ai for a 5-day free trial here. Just put my link, and then I just do a description where, I try and put the keyword in 2 to 5 times what I'm trying to rank for. In this case, but Jasper.ai. Next thing you need to do is create really great, YouTube thumbnail. Critically important. You can create a thumbnail like this in about 5 minutes on a tool called Canva. Canva's a great tool to use. Just Google it, open a free account, and you can start creating awesome thumbnails like this. And then what you want to do, just to tell YouTube you want to rank, just put the product terms, different variations in the tag section, the tags of the keywords you want your video to rank for. And that is basically it. If you do this and upload, say 5, maybe 10 of these product review videos, just sort of walking people through how to use the product, you will be ranking potentially on page 1 for these awesome tools like this. And not just these tools, other tools you want to promote as well. Honestly, guys, this is a huge opportunity, and I think you'd be nuts not to take advantage of it. So if you want to register for Jasper.ai, Copy.ai, I'll link to these products down in the description below. Sign up for them and use them, and then start promoting them in the way that I have shown you. This is completely transparent. I've left nothing out here. All right, I haven't gone into huge detail about how to rank the videos, but I've given you the basics. You just got to get out there and take action. Also, in the 4 acts of honesty and transparency, if you do sign up to these products with the links below, I will earn a small commission if you go onto a paying plan. It just helps me to obviously run the channel and knock out this awesome content for you. I hope you're finding it awesome. So I can help you guys as much as possible. Get your foot in the door and start making money quickly with affiliate marketing. What you see here is what I believe is going to be the biggest opportunity for affiliate marketing in the next 12 months. Promoting tools like this and searching for them here on Futurepedia. If you do that and create product review videos around these kinds of products, you're going to make big money. Last thing I'll say, if you want to sign up for my 10-hour week affiliate masterclass, this is an in-depth sort of guide of how I run my business. Just come to this page, which I'll also link in the description. Click the button, enter your email address, and you can register completely free, and you'll be taken straight to the masterclass. Okay, guys, that's what I've got for you. Hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you do like it, why not like the video? Why not subscribe to the channel for more content like this? So all I'll say now is get out there, get on Futurepedia, start looking for products, or why not sign up to Jasper and Copy.ai, start using them, and start promoting these products on YouTube. And I guarantee within the next 7, 14, 30 days, you're going to start seeing the commissions rolling in. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.